reach the finals in 103 as a junior, placing 17th in 45.74. He also clocked an hour 47 on the 200 on the 200 free to finish 26 out of prelims. Both just on personal best, he set a few weeks earlier at the qualifying meet. At the CIF Southern Section Division 1 Championships, Thomas posted 45.14 in the 1100 and 11:39.16 in the 200 for 7th and 4th, respectively, with his 100 just shy of the 45.05 he swam prelims. He also split the 21.09 leading off San Marino's 200 free relay in prelims, then came back with a 20.56 to anchor to help the team to a 7th place finish in finals. When asked about Liam, Coach Holcomb said, Liam is an extremely hard worker and wants to perform at an extremely high level. Even though Survey is mostly an individual sport, he is a team player and is willing to do whatever it takes for his team. He has been instrumental to the team's success the past 4 years, helping the team to a runners-up finish in CIF and 3 Rio Hondo League championships. He is the school's record holder in all 3 relays and holds the school's record in the 100 free. It has been a pleasure coaching him for the past 4 years, and I know that he will do well at Davidson College. Congratulations, St. Thomas. Our next title is Katie Lynn Hall. Katie is signed to play tennis at Trinity University, San Antonio. While at San Marino, Katie has won the league singles championship multiple times. In addition, Katie held league assignments to league championships in all 4 of her years at San Marino. When asked about Katie, Coach Nell said, Katie is a hard worker. I've known her for 4 years and it has been a pleasure and seeing her tennis team progress in this level. She is a proud San Marino fan and she will be an asset to her team at the collegiate level. I hope her game continues to improve and I wish her continued success on and off the court. Congratulations, Katie. Our third and final title is Charlie Vandenhout. Charlie has been a member of our varsity baseball team for the last 2 years. In addition to helping the Titans capture the league championship last year, Charlie was chosen as the March athlete of the month in baseball. When asked about Charlie, Coach Franklin said, Charlie Vandenhout has been a cornerstone of our program as a 2-year varsity player and a true leader on and off the field. A versatile athlete capable of playing anywhere, Charlie has anchored our middle, infield, and shortstop and second base with consistency and confidence. His growth as a player, leader, and a young man has been exceptional, and he represents everything we value in our program. We are